because that shows our personality. We should show respect to every person. We have heard, we had heard from many histories how much honor is worth. I am going to tell you one of them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Adam Nabi alayhi salam. And Allah taught Adam Nabi alayhi salam some things. And Adam Nabi alayhi salam learned it. After Adam Nabi alayhi salam, after Allah said Adam Nabi alayhi salam to teach the Malaika. And Adam Nabi alayhi salam taught to the Malaika some things. And Allah said to Malaika, Sujud Adam Nabi alayhi salam. Adam Nabi alayhi salam. All Malaika sujud Adam Nabi alayhi salam. But the Iblis didn't do that. And Iblis said, I was created from fire.